Hi guys, have a look at this question. It's an equation, put it properly. Once you see this power, it means it's quadratic. So the point, once it's identified as quadratic, which method do you use? Alright, we're going to have, solving this now, 5x squared, take this, 5x, equals to 3. I can't factorize this. Yeah, by normal way of factorization, if you multiply the coefficient of x squared with this, which is 15, there's no way I'll get two factors of 15 to give me minus 7. Alright, so I will proceed to the next one. Either use the completing the square method or using the formula. Now let me use the completing the square method to get this. Now, by the rule of completing the square method, using completing the square method, using completing the square method, yeah, it means we're going to find, we square the half of the coefficient of x and add it to both sides. Now, first thing here is I'm going to divide everything here by 5s divided by 5 minus 7x by 5, so it was a 3 divided by 5. Now this divide this, I have s squared minus 7 as equals 3 over 5. I'll find the half of the coefficient of x, square it and add it to both sides. That's the rule. And what is the half of 7 over 5? The half. I'll multiply this by half. That gives me minus 7 over 10. I'm going to add that, square it and add it to both sides. So I'll have s squared minus 5x. I am adding minus 7 over 10 squared to both sides. Right? Yeah. Minus over 10 to both sides. That's the rule. Now, this side gives me x plus, let me put it this way, minus 7 over 10 squared. Right? Put this. If I spend, it's going to give me this. So I have 3 over 5. Alright. Plus, if I square this, square 7, 49, square 10, 100. Alright, we're going to find the LCM of 5 and 100 with 100. 5 goes to 100, 20 times 3, 60 plus 49. We have it as here. Then I'm going to transfer the square to the other side, which will become x minus 7 over 10. To do that, I'll introduce plus or minus root 109 over 100. If I add up 60 plus 49. Now, if you look at this side here, the root of 100 is 10. So I have plus or minus root 109 over 10. Then this gives me x minus 7 over 10. Right? Okay. Here, I'm looking for x. So I have x is equals to, take this to the other side, 7 over 10 plus or minus root 109 over 10. Right? So when we find the square root of 109, 7 over 10 plus root 109 over 10, or 10 plus root 109 over 10, or minus 7 over 10 plus root 109 over 10. Yes. The values of x must be 2. So we have s is equals to, if you add it, 7 plus, what's the root of 109? What's the root of 109? The root is 10.4. We have 10.4 over 10. Yeah, if I take the LCM, or if I take this, root is minus 7 plus this is 10.4 4 over 10. Yes, over 10. Yes, we have this s is equals to what? If I add it, I'm going to have 17.4 over 10. Or if I take this from this, it's going to give me 1.74, or I have this as minus 0.3 for approximately. Final answer. Please, if you enjoy what we're doing, like it, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more interesting tutorials. Thank you.